Morning. My name is tsoom. I studied at the Faculty of Engineering. My major is mining. Today I will talk about mining. I have about corporate. And the mining, there are 3 points important. And I will talk about corporate. The first point I will talk about the means of the mining. The meaning is the extraction of the valuable or mineral, or the mineral or other mineral geology from the reef and BSM, coal and copper. The second point, excavate. Excavate is the people want to change the mineral and the forest, gold or copper or the coal and forest. Suppose for the mineral come out under underground because they want to know. The second point, excavate. Excavate is they use machine to paper or the machines being machines for excavate for the mineral on underground come out from build the economy was used in other countries in the world. The third, for the mining processing. After you can get or excavate mineral from underground to the surface, you can go to tap that mineral to processes for separate the mineral, for build everything except for the gold have mixed with the rock and soil. You have to separate. The gold is the gold and soil is the soil and the rock is the rock. They use the process of the gold and other mineral too, and have to separate or processing. Thank you very much for you listening.
Please, when somebody is explaining something, your student, you have to clap for him. This is his job. You understand? You have to give him the courage for him to have more explanation next time. He explained about processing, about excavate, and talking about separating about gold and soil and rock. You understand?
Yes.
You separate the soil from, because you have to drill from the ground feet down.
Yes.
To get gold, and you have to separate because the gold mixed with soil, what we call ground. So you have to separate the soil from the rock. How many types of rocks do you know?
Rock. How many types? There are 3 kinds.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you tell me?
The first sedimentary rock. The second is in rock. The third is metamorphic rock.
What are they doing with those rocks? What do they do? Miners. What do they do? You study mining. What are they doing with rocks?
In the rocks from the it is a harness rock from the magma for the volcano.
Yeah, the
volcano. Yeah, volcano has
lava.
Yeah, lava. Yeah, lava. After lava, we have cool. They call the Indian rock.
Yes.
Yeah, it is harness rock.
Yes.
More than other rock. And
so, how do you separate gold from rock? How do you separate the soil from gold, the gold, and the rock from the soil? How?
Because because the gold and broken soil mixed together.
Yes.
Because there are because because in the world about millions and millions or years ago the world has changed so there's has to mix and the rainfall has the soil and so for their means.
Have you ever seen crude gold in your eye? Have you ever drilled the ground, the soil, and you see gold?
No, everywhere has there are some plants have the gold.
Yeah.
One have some plants.
Some places have and some places don't have.
Gold.
Some places have gold and some don't have.
Yeah.
Why? Why?
Because the mountain is full.
Yeah.
And the rain. And why the rain and they have to tag the go down.
Yes.
As for
You have bucket?
for this is mountain.
Yes.
This mountain. This mountain to
Yes.
why the rainfall and the rain to have roads for around here and this is cool. This is cool because the core just down and core
Yes.
just down and then has to stop here. Have to step here.
Good job, please.
เก่งกับสาวได้เลย
There are things we have to learn, many things. Maybe you